Jayleen started with us in this season this year. She had never played with us before, but she brought a lot of energy and a lot of fun to the team. And it was music to my ears. And when I turned around, I saw her on the bench, and she was sitting on the edge of the bench, and she said, "Coach, I really want to get in there." I said, "All right, now let's go." So she got in there and she had some fun. But I was glad to see Janine come out this year and finish her senior year out playing soccer with us.
Some people are telling me something about you.
Where are you going?
To drop the candle. Do you have anything better to do? Come here, Jandro. Come here so you can blow out the candles. Hey, hey, hey. There.
Jandro,
Look over there.
Ya me hizo sudar.
looky.
Hello. Puppy? Where's your puppy? Where's the puppy? Who's over there? Who's over there? Jenna?
Grandfather.
There go Jenna. You and Jenna. You coming with Auntie? Watch the cage, Jenna, because if not, you'll end up on the floor. Look at the
Call
pretty candle.
Ryan.
Fire.
I'm gonna call him, yeah.
Look, Jandro.
Fire.
Look, babes. Look at the fire.
Tutu.
Look, Jandro.
Tutu. Yeah, that's Tutu.
Look.
Tutu.
Look at the candles.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the candles.
Huh?
How old is he, Ricky? A year and 5 months, right? 17 months. 17 months.
Turn off the light and see what he does.
Jandro, look, babes, look.
Look at the fire. Fire.
Look.
Come on, start singing.
Come on, baby.
No, sing it the right way.
No.
Come on.
I'm not singing by myself.
Well, I'll start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jenna. Happy birthday to you.
Ready? Look, Jandro.
Look. Show him, Mika.
Ready?
Show him.
Look.
Show him.
Turn the lights right.
Turn on the lights, Ryan.
Look.
No, you don't be careful.
Come in. Try it.
Tutu.
Look it.
Tutu.
Come on, smile.
You're on candid camera.
No, the new one came with a grill.
What happened to your nose, Jennifer?
Hey, bad boy.
Let me see that absentee thing one more time. That stuff is crap, man. Pointing that stuff in.
Well, I can go deeper into checking it.
Huh?
I can get deeper in there.
Go ahead. Because I ain't never ditched in my life. You could ask all my friends.
Oh, I'm not
I'm
saying
too
that you're
scared to.
ditching.
Oh,
Grandpa.
like according to that,
Say
it's
hi.
something that I do.
Bye.
Then I'm supposedly absent for like
Okay,
4 periods.
I'll question that one.
I'm absent for like 4 periods, and then all of a sudden I'm out.
I'll question it.
Well, let me see him. Let me see him.
You just wait till I get a hold of that teacher. You just wait. I don't. I don't.
Jandro. Alejandro.
I
Jandro.
went to the school to see.
Come here.
There's
Come
no
here, baby.
on-campus pass. There's
Jandro.
no
Hey.
absentee. Nobody called in, but they're marked absent. And they told me that after 10 minutes they're marked
Come here,
absent.
babes.
I was,
They're no longer tardy, they're marked absent.
the only class I've ever
So
been
I
absent
gotta
10
talk to
minutes
the
for is
teacher and find out.
Alejandro.
Because she's got, in 9 weeks, she's got 12, that's what they came out with. On the report card it said 9. Now today came out with 12. And then all the time, they're not excusing her for,
Hello.
you know, sports or anything like that. They're marking them as
Videotaping
absent.
Alejandro.
So,
Yeah. Hold on. Jandro. Come here. What are you
Is
doing?
this for the semester or 9 weeks? 9 weeks.
Get up! What's the what? Andrew! Come here! Come acá! Anda! Come here! Come on! Come on!
Stand up straight. Stand up straight. Stand up.
Come on, let's go! Oui! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go! Come on, let's go, Bubba! Pay attention! Pay attention! Pay attention! Papa! 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 Oh my God, man. Oh my God.
Good morning, Grandma. You look beautiful. Jandro.
Does it say record? Does it say REC, Hita?
Yeah.
No, vente para acá.
What's this one on the side supposed to mean?
Here. Here.
Jeepers 5 and
Elena,
Alejandro. Alejandro.
Come on.
Say hi.
Aquí está el otro lado.
Say hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Jandro. Jandro. Don't hide. Show me that pretty face. I see you. Hey, come here, Jandro. Say hi. Alejandro.
Cream cheese, that's what she told us. No, Jenna.
Yeah.
Boy, you got down fast.
I don't know how I got.
You tired, Grandpa? Are you tired, Grandpa? Are you tired?
No, I'm going to.
Hey, that's rough water.
Yourself.
son.
Hey, he's
Yeah.
he's gonna fight back with you.
Until I smacked him one.
You hit him.
Huh?
You hit him.
I smacked him the other day because he was going like this. And he kept gagging. I was telling him no. Y me miraba and he'd go like this.
No, volteo
Yeah,
y
yeah, de mí.
Te
So
fue a
I got
sacar
him
la
like, boom, and I hit him right here. He started crying and he stopped. He likes to be.
que dijo que no te miró porque de repente falla frente a digo.
Y me miraba.
Que Dios.
Y se ría de mí.
Super
Wow. See, look, on this one is the same that woman's studies in like all these classes I know.
No mojos.
Aquí no hay suelo, es lo que me da
Minus
mano.
one. I'm absent first, second, and third, and fourth, and fifth, and then
Where's your
I'm
hat?
sixth and seventh.
Ya eso te estoy diciendo mal. Come on, let's walk. Let's walk. Walk. Come on. Walk. Say walk. Anda, borrachito. Come on. Look where you're going. Up, up. Step, step up. Oh.
Jandro.
Would you know? Walk. Come here. Dance.
Ready?
It was there, la flor ahorita. It's right there on the parada. En esta orilla, mira. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah, yeah. Baba.
Where's the patty cake? Did you forget patty cake? Patty cake.
No que me voy a querer.
Yeah, take the cake.
Ricky.
There's the
Big.
gelato.
Sit down.
Big cake.
Grandma.
Bring my stuff.
Hi, Andy.
Wow.
Take that from me. You're good at taking pictures. Did you get it to work?
Yeah.
I don't know how this camera works now.
You just like yours?
You're Chinese, you told me you look like Chris Tucker.
Yes, they have.
A little bit.
No, Jenna.
Man, look how funny.
Okay.
Cousins pinning roses on each other.
Get ours to work.
Oh, the battery
Get
goes.
it, George.
Okay.
Are you sure you have them on
I
right?
think I'm doing this
Yeah,
right.
because I took a couple and then it died.
We'll reinforce it in a little bit.
Okay.
Okay, now you pretend like I'm your
Put it-
girlfriend and you
put
put
it
it on
on
my
the-
lip.
I pretend I'm your girlfriend.
On the right or the left?
Right. Right.
After
Right.
that, right?
Right.
Okay.
And it goes the other way.
Oh. I don't know this.
It's okay, I'm getting you
I'm getting her
prepared.
laughing.
Wait.
I'm getting you prepared. You're gonna have to teach him how to drive first, you know what I'm saying? He can't take no girlfriend somewhere without
That
driving.
one right there.
Okay, that.
Yeah.
You better go slap catching out.
There. That's so cute.
That's you.
It's big. Well, you're gonna knock some people around.
I know. How?
I told her I didn't want it bulky.
That way I don't lose it. I might go like this and it might fly.
Put your hat down so you can show it off. No, like, funny.
Oh.
Yeah, like that.
Like that.
Hey, you guys are ready.
That looks so neat.
Just look straight. Don't look at everybody.
Let's look at your mom.
Yeah, look at me.
Smile.
There you go.
Come
Smile.
on,
One's a good
Andy.
one.
Dad!
Oh, you guys look cute.
How cute.
How cute.
We're
That's a
gonna
big
mess this up today.
Where?
You gotta do it outside?
Yeah, we could do it outside.
You want here though first.
It's all windier than
It's
next
too
time.
windy out
Smile,
there.
everybody get together.
Okay.
Okay, get this way.